Now I will introduce another two letters. The name of this one is Ayn, Ayn, and the name of this one is Gayn, Gayn. So the first one is A sound, and the second one is G, sound. Both of them share the same forms, the only difference with the dot. Let's see how we write them. In the beginning of the word, like you are drawing small c, then dash. In the middle of the word, pay attention to the middle connected. Dash, like small triangle, stay on the line. This is Ayn. And sometimes you just shade it. At the end, not connected. Small c, big C under the line. Connected, dash, triangle, end up under the line and shade inside. This is Ayn. For Gayn, it's the same thing. Small c, stay on the line with the dot. In the middle of the word, dash, almost triangle, again shade. At the end, small c, big C, dot, connected, dash, almost triangle, end up below the line, shade. Let's see how we connect. Again, don't forget circles around one-way connectors. Okay, number one. Ayn, Ya, Nun. Number two. Shin, 1, 2, 3. Alif, Ra, Ayn. Small c, big C. Number 3. Gayn, Ra, Alif, Ba. Dots at the end. All the time when you connect, try to repeat the name of each letter so you don't forget the name of all what you have learned. Arba'a, number 4. Ra, Ba, Ya, Ayn. Dot, shade. You don't have to change to shade if you don't like, but when you print, when you type, you will see it shaded. Let's read. رقم 1. Ayn with fatha. Remember, fatha with ya are not couples. They don't like each other. This case, ya here, it's a consonant. If it's a consonant, we read it as ya. So the way we read the first one, Ayn. Ayn. Ayn is an I. Ayn. رقم 2. Shin with alif, sha. Ra, kasra, ayn, ra. The first syllable, sha. The second syllable, ra. Put them together, shara. Shara. Shara is street. Number 3, رقم 3. غين والضمة غو. غين والضمة غو. The second syllable, it's ra, alif, ba. Ra, alif, ba, rab. Put them together, غو, rab. غو, rab. غراب. رقم 4. Ra with fatha, ra. Then we have ya here, and ya and kasra are couples. So vowel, if it's vowel, e sound. Again, ra, the second syllable, biya. Put them together, rabi'a. Rabi'a is spring. Keep practicing on reading. If you forgot the rules for the vowels, go back and study the previous videos about long vowels.